Hello friends, in this video I am going to demonstrate how to enable certificate with a Google form using Certify EM add-on. This video will help you to learn generating certificate and dispatching it to the participants. After organizing online events like conference, seminar, webinar and FTPs, we need to dispatch the e-certificate to the participants. To generate e-certificate online, email ID and name of the participants are mandatory fields. Now I am going to create a Google form. Go to new Google form. Now the Google form has opened. I am going to name this Google form as certificate download link. And here you will give your college name and the name of the event, description, whatever you want to add the content of the form, you just give the details here. After giving some details, you just give the email ID. Once you type email, the pop-up message will display here, enable email collection setting. You just click the option. Automatically this form gets the email ID from the form attendant. Once assigning this, you will find plus symbol at top right corner to add the one more column. I am going to collect the full name from the participants to print in the certificate. This asterisk symbol describes the required field. Without assigning this field, the form will not be submitted by the participants. So I am going to make this field also a required field because name is mandatory field for the certificate. And I am going to add name of the institution of the participants in the certificate. So I am adding one more field by clicking plus symbol, name of the institute. I am going to add this field also a required field. So now the form has been ready. If you want to change the theme of the form, just go to the option here, change the theme. If you want to add any image of this one, I am choosing this image to insert in my form. And if you want to change the color and font style, all the options available here. I am going to change this color, form color and text options. Playful, if you want to give playful text options, it will be changed here. Whichever you like, you just assign it. And next thing, we are going to the add-on one. This is the add-on icon. If you don't find this add-on icon, just go here. You will find the option add-ons. It will open this page. You just type the Certify EM. It will display the application here. I have already installed, so it's showing installed. If you are not installed, it will show the option here install. So it's showing I have already installed, so it's showing the uninstall option. So if you don't have add-on option in your form, you just go like this and then open install the Certify EM. Now add-on included. Just click the add-on Certify EM. Before that, create the responses Excel file, whoever data is filling in this form using. So all the data can be stored in the Excel file. Go to response, you will find this icon, just click it and create a new spreadsheet. So all the data can be stored in the Excel sheet. So whatever the field you have created using this Google form, all the data fields are visible in this Excel form, like email address, full name and name of the institute. All three fields I have used in the Google form. So after creating Excel file, go to add-on, it will open like this. Select this option, it will open the Certify EM control window. Here you can choose the options to set up the certificate, turn on the status, and if you want to create record for Certify EM, you just click this option to create the Excel file. This form is I'm going to use to download the certificate, so maximum passing mark I'm assigning as 0%. And here you will find the template selection option. So if you want to customize, certificate option, just go here, use a custom template option to enable your certificate. Already I have designed the certificate, I will show you. Before choosing the file here, I am going to show you the certificate which I have designed already for demonstration. So this is the certificate I have designed, college name and certificate of participation. These are the fields. These two fields I am going to use for printing the certificate. Full name as participant's name and other identifier is the college name. So this is the template I am going to use in this form. So this name is demo certificate. So now I am going to select this certificate file in this Certify EM add-on. Use a custom template. It will open the option. Select a new file. So here is the files. These are the certificates I have designed already. I am going to choose this template. After selecting this, give select and then save changes. Now my certificate, my own template certificate will be added in the Certify EM. So if you want to give any customized message, go to advanced option. It will open like this. You can type your customized message here. So it will be printed in the once a certificate will be sent through the registered mail ID. So in that mail, this message will be displayed. In this way, you can enable the Certify EM to print the certificate, online certificates. One more thing I want to tell you all, just download this certificate records. So here you will find the options, fields like this: email, full name I have printed in the certificate, and the other identifier where our institute name will be placed in this Certify EM record. You just see full name, after full name the other identifier field is displayed here. So if I fill the form like email ID, full name and name of the institute, this name of the institute will be placed in the other identifier place. So that is why I have used other identifier to print the college name in the certificate. This certificate I have designed using the Google Slides. And now Certify EM options are over. If you want to settings, do settings, go to settings. This collect the email addresses. This form automatically collects the email address from the participants. So limit to one response. You just enable these options because each and every time the participants will attend the form only once. and presentation. Here no need to change any options. You can give customized message here also, confirmation message. If you want, you can change this message. That's all. And you will find quiz option here. Once the this form enables the Certify EM, automatically this quiz options also enable. Let it be, don't do anything. So here you will select the option later after manual review. By choosing this option, just you save the form. That's all. These are the form settings to get the certificate by filling this form. In this way, we can create the certificate using Google Slides, and then we can create the link to download the certificate by using Google Form, and by using Certify EM, you can enable the certificate to the Google Form. So by filling this Google Form, you can able to get the certificate through your registered mail ID. Thank you friends. If you have any queries, kindly post in the chat box. Subscribe the channel to get upcoming videos on online teaching tools. Thank you.